you can see that I'm using Shadowrocket on my macOS, and I can use that Shadowrocket same on my iPhone as well with the same subscription. But what about the Android phone? So many were talking about this one in my comment section. So today I got the video explaining how you can use these Shadowrocket proxies in an alternative app on your Android phone. If you go to my Android phone that is connected here, you can see there is one app that can handle these Shadowrocket proxies or any other proxies, and you can use this VPN in China. First app is Matsuri, the other one is SSR, and the other one is this Chinese character, I don't know what is the name, and the fourth one is Surfboard. So I'll be describing how you can get one subscription, use it on your Android phone here, or you can use it on your MacBook, or simply you can use it on your iPhone or a Windows PC using one subscription across all the devices. So what you need to do, just open your browser and first connect to any free VPN on Android. Then go to this link, and I will provide this link in the video descriptions so you can follow along. The link is in the pinned comment as well. After going, create an account, and it already has my coupon code that can give you 90% discount. Once you log in, go to this section and translate this website. If it doesn't translate, then go to dashboard. In the dashboard section, you can scroll down and see the subscription details. But first of all, you need to subscribe, and you can subscribe for the n number of devices and also unlimited time with my coupon codes. I have already subscribed to this VPN, so you need to go to these three dots, and after that go to purchase subscription. Here you will find different packages and use them on all of your devices for the unlimited time, and I recommend you to choose the best one that is offering here 658, because you can use it on n number of devices, and in the meantime you can use my coupon code with one email only once. So why not to choose the best package with the discount? Just go to subscribe now here, and here you need to enter a coupon code. Go to have a coupon code place, and here you need to type a 𝒄𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕. Now verify. Now you see the price is -131. It means the package is now around 500. And if you go to order, I have already subscribed. I'm not going to override the previous subscription because I told you you can subscribe using one email only once. Once you subscribe, go back and go to your dashboard. Here you can find the tutorials on installing the app for the Android. As I show you, this is already connected. I'm using it. So what you need to do, just first of all go to view tutorials, and here are different tutorials for the different apps, because these proxies are different on different devices and different apps. For example, on iOS and macOS Apple devices, the app name is Shadowrocket or ClashX. On Android, I'm going to talk about the Surfboard app that is already given here, and also the Clash app. So I'm going to go for Surfboard. Just click on this Surfboard here, and you will see all the details, and just go ahead and read. Then you need to click on local download. Once you download, and then you need to search this one in the downloads. Here is the app. Just click on it and install. I have already installed the app. So once you install the app, go back to your dashboard, and on your dashboard you need to scroll down, and you will find this quick subscription after the installation of the app. Click on that, and now you will find different links. The last one is export to Surfboard, and the second last is export to Clash for Android. You can also use Clash app as well. If you didn't download Clash, just go to dashboard again and go to view tutorials, and here is Clash Meta for Android. You can download in the same way for the Android phone as well as you downloaded Surfboard. Go to the dashboard again, go to quick subscription, and we have already installed this app. Just go to export to Surfboard, and here we are. It has already imported this one. If you go to dashboard now, you will see there are some public rules, DNS and all that setting, but in the proxy section you will find all the proxies have been imported. If I delete these proxies again, for example, I go to this VPN profile and delete this one. Go to file, delete, and there is no proxy right now. You can't see anything. Go back to this one and export to Surfboard. It will automatically import those proxies. Now go to proxies, and there are different Hong Kong, Korea, United States, and all these proxies. Now you can just choose any one you like. For example, you want to connect to USA, Here is United States, and go to home. This button you can see here, that's right here. Just click on that and you are connected. So now you can say upload and download speed is here, and it's absolutely fine. You're gonna go to any website on Google. Let's say I'm gonna search YouTube and look at the speed. It's working. I search YouTube because I'm in China. So this is how you can use Shadowrocket proxies in Surfboard. And if you want to use these proxies, the same method can be followed. Go back to your dashboard and you will see quick subscription link here. Now, you need to just copy subscription link, go to another app, for example, Matsuri, and here you can import all these proxies, same as Shadowrocket. You can simply go to these three dots here and configuration, copy the URL here. After copying, just go to these three dots and then go to group, and in the group section you can just clear this group. Now go to plus icon, then group type, then subscription, and here you can paste the link, hit on OK and done button. Alright, so all the nodes are here now. You can go back to your configuration and here you can go to top three dots, connection test, and choose this first option. Now you can connect to any server you want. This one will work same as shown here on your MacBook Shadowrocket app. So this is SSR on Android or Matsuri, and same SSR is also working in the same model as we did. So use Matsuri, SSR or Surfboard. So that's it. You're good to go. You can use one subscription across all the devices and have internet freedom. Use my coupon code and subscribe to this channel for more updates, and go to my VPNs list. There you will find tons of videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.